You'll need to know how to install apps from the Play Store to make the most of your Galaxy A16. Here's how you do it. First, tap the Home key to return to the home screen. Then tap on the Play Store icon. Once inside, tap on Apps at the bottom if you're looking for applications, or Games if you want to install games. If this is your first time using the Play Store, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. To install an app, find the one you want to download, then tap on it to select it. Then tap the Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. You can continue browsing and installing other apps while waiting. Once installation is complete, you can open the app directly from the Play Store by tapping Open, or find it in your Apps screen by swiping up from the home screen. That's all you need to know to get started with app installations on your Galaxy A16. I hope this video can help you. Please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Enjoy exploring new apps.